Sir Alex Cicchini's little KLX 125.
Little 06.
06. Oh boy. One more time. I would.
How does that even happen? How come we don't do that?
It's braking.
You're braking.
It's braking real hard. It's braking real hard.
Do better.
It's alright, I already ate shit twice today.
Dude, my first time down there, I almost died. Whiskey throttled, right into a tree.
Yeah.
Caught myself though.
Good shit.
Well, I was going like fucking.
It's all right.
You gotta get a helmet, man.
I have one.
Why don't you
I
use
wear it whenever there's no one around and I ride by myself.
Let me throw it on.
It's like
You won't.
it won't fit.
Really?
Well, maybe your head might be.
I got a small ass head, dude. I don't know.
Why do you need the helmet, boy?
I'm sending, son. Alright, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Hey. Nah. Your turn. Come on.
You guys, I was ripping it early.
Come on. I don't like how not stock this carb is. But
Can you see?
huh?
Can you see back there?
Barely. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you can see.
You can see though?
It's a lot harder with
Dude,
the
I was
helmet.
telling Cheech, like, I like the speed more than like the trail shit.
Though. Yeah.
But I don't know, cause that shit's fun though.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm way too nervous about it. I'm way too nervous.
I wanna. Yeah. Yo, Alec. What How do you know, like, what's your little mini track configuration right here for the outside of the trails?
Yo, she got
His?
I don't have a rear brake, so you don't want to let the dog hunt too much.
What is the little configuration that you hit on the outside of the trails? Like, we need to do it. We're gonna do timed laps, and I want I want you to do your best, like whatever one you normally do. On the outside of the trails, just ripping, you know,
so
like high speed.
like say you start from the bench,
Yep.
like the end of the picnic bench, straight that way, around this way, pin it in a straight line, and try to hug the tree, and like kind of 45 it all the way down.
Yeah.
And then you try to turn like that third or fourth post of the wooden fence. You see it on the bottom?
Uh-huh.
Like the third or fourth one, you try to swing it.
Yeah.
And then you come up, horseshoe this, and then you're back through.
Okay. Yeah. I'll give her a go. Start a timer, Corey.
And then, yo, when you come up this way,
Actually, you set the timer because you know where it starts and ends.
Yeah.
It's gonna start and end at the picnic table.
Yo, just watch me go. You'll see me go.
Well, I know where to go now.
Okay, but when you get to here, you can either go trail that way, trail this way, or you finish the loop.
Send it. Nice.
Every single time through that, I just dumped it though.
All right. Fair enough. Fair enough.
What do you saw? That?
They're like, don't let
So,
him,
Alec,
don't let him do
Alec,
that.
use Corey's phone.
Oh,
Hit the
that's not
timer.
through the trail.
That was
No.
just this video.
I may or may not bust ass because I'm gonna be hitting some
I
turns.
would start from here.
That's gonna be the finish and the start.
This could be the start and finish. This chair.
Are you? All right.
You pass the fucking.
We're gonna have respectful starts. All right.
Yo, should I really turn your phone What do you mean?
Sheesh. All right. Let's go.
Look at
Let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. Let's go. Come on.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
All right. She didn't like my launch. Carbs don't like my launch, man. That's a good rut, though. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. No more of that. No more of that. All right. All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
That drift was sick. That drift was sick, dude.
Small. Is this your head?
Yeah, it's
God
for the head. That's for the
damn.
head.
Sheesh.
This shit tight.
Yo, stop picking the shit up. I'm
No,
trying to
it's the
take a
go-
picture.
It's a GoPro. You ripping this shit for you?
That was not the ideal time. Yes, sir. Hey! Hey! Yeah! He's winning. He's winning. He gonna win. He gonna win, son. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh!
Take a picture.
Good shit. Good shit.
Feeling that long.
Good shit. Nah, mine was way worse. Mine was way worse.
Wait, what'd you get? What'd you get?
I don't
24?
remember.
You got 24.
You got 24-17. You got it right now.
No, I don't. There's no way he beat me.
He didn't. I said you got it right now.
No, I mean, there's no way. There's no way I beat him.
You did.
There's no way I beat him. Yeah. Oh.
I just learned that. Don't do that.
Yo.
Second gear.
Yeah. Holy shit. I wish I think, I hope
You
I'm.
seen it happen to me, bro. No, you got it.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know if I was blocking it or some shit.
2, 1, go.
Nice. Good launch. Good launch. Whole
better.
shot launch. Sheesh.
You gotta just be making tracks out here, huh?
Dude, this is the track I ran for days
Before
with the Tao Tao.
Oh god. 21, 22, 23.
Hey.
Oh
Hey.
my god.
Damn.
Wow.
Savage.
I'd probably rip like 40.
Nah.
You're underestimating yourself.
Yeah, man.
Trust me,
No,
bro.
trust me. I literally.
Trust me.
This would be like my 10th time hopping on this shit.
Fuck it, man. That's how you learn, man.
Exactly.
I crashed plenty of times before I
Alec.
hit a 50, bro.
Alec, let's get your time.
It's gonna be the quick where you're gonna lose time.
Yeah,
Turning
bro.
around.
I told
Whoever
you.
can
third,
turn around
And then
down there.
Yeah, I did it right the
I
first
felt like
time.
I
Yeah,
like
you guys,
I got
you
lost.
guys are only losing because you're going down to the stumps.
You gotta.
saying
It's
use-
like
I'm
fourth
saying turn
post.
into
Once the
the
post, you
stump.
can see the post.
I would eat up my
Yeah,
time.
bro. You gotta fucking.
Hold up. Let me get the timer first. Set the, yo, open your phone, son.
3, 2, 1, go.
You guys are animals. Holy shit. This is how you gotta get out. Yo, do you think they ride better than Evan?
Hey, yo, peace sending, son. Ah, he
That
fucked
killed
up.
it, that
He
killed
fucked
it.
up. Shit.
I'm about to get absolutely lively.
Dude, this thing's a hoot.
It really is, man. This is just a better XR, huh?
Mm.
You can beat the shit out of it without worrying
Mm.
about it being a Honda.
Yeah. Damn.
Hey,
Damn.
it's one of those guilt things. You feel guilty, dude.
What's up, baby?
Oh, this thing gets no luxuries. No She gets 10W30 motor and fucking.
Go back, my boy.
Let's see it, Cheech. 3, 2, 1.
He's in neutral.
Wow.
Nice.
Usually go this fast. I think you guys are here.
Wow. Sending, yeah. Hey.
23-29.
Hey. New record.
Yeah,
New record.
Yeah, you won, bro. You won.
New record.
You gotta add at least 3 seconds.
Yeah,
cut
I was
it
gonna
so
say.
short.
What are
I
you
was like,
supposed to
so
cut
short.
against the stump line?
Bro,
This is like my second one, technically. Like, dude, I can ride it, but like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
at the very bottom of those posts,
Sort of.
right,
I like I said,
where
I
you
probably
want
rip
to
like
be
30.
like apexing.
I like seeing you guys.
Someone's got a time.
I'll time it, I got you. Alright. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Alright, you ready? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh shit. Alright. I fucked up.
Yeah, I saw.
like a-
Yo, hey, yo! Redo! Redo!
Yeah, I absolutely, because I continued on to your time. Well, we'll see. He's at 15 right now. 16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay.
Still.
All right.
So, yes.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Alright, so you still won.
Yeah.
Still technically
whatever.
won. And he started a little early, too.
Yeah.
He started like right
whatever.
The front brakes, yo.
That was
You
sick.
got 2040, but I fucked up the timing, so it was like 2240.
That's good.
Nah, he actually. I watched him fuck
Yeah, I
it
gotta
up.
redo it then. I gotta redo it.
Dead ass. I was trying to go like this when you were going, but you didn't see me.
Alright, you ready? Alright, let me not fuck it up this time. So what, you got 2010? Alright, ready? Alright.
Now look at the time.
Yeah, you do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Yeah, that's already
He was in
fucked.
third.
That's already-
Poor guy.
That launch, man.
Bring your knee right here.